Vishwaya Nityaniketan.
Morning everyone. Namaste. How are you doing today? Are you having a good time? Yes? Are you having a lovely day today? So today we are going to do Vyanjan part of Hindi Varnmala, Hindi letters. In previous classes we covered Swar part of Hindi letters. From today onwards we are going to cover Vyanjan part of Hindi letters, Hindi Varnmala. So let's start with it. So the first letter of Vyanjan, Ka. You see this? You write it like this. Ka. How do you write it? You put one standing line, then you make a curve like this, like a half circle, and then it goes from up to down, and then one sleeping line on top. Ka. How does this letter sound? Ka. 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 Ka for kabootar. Ka for kabootar. Kabootar is pigeon in English. You see this? Kabootar. Kabootar. Kabootar is pigeon in English. Kabootar. Kabootar. Ka-boo-ta-ra. Kabootar. Ka for kabootar. Ka for kabootar. Ka for kabootar. Kabootar is a pigeon in English. Kabootar is called pigeon in English. Pigeon is a bird. How does pigeon fly? Like this. Pigeon. Pigeon. You must have seen pigeon around your home. Pigeon. Have you seen pigeon around your home? Pigeon. Ka for kabootar. Kabootar is called pigeon in English. Ka for kabootar. Ka for kabootar. Ka for kamal. Ka for kamal. Ka for kamal. Have you seen lotus flower in ponds? So lotus flower mostly you see in ponds, in lakes. Have you seen lotus flower? So lotus flower is mostly found in ponds. So that's how it looks. Lotus, kamal. So lotus is called kamal in Hindi. Ka for kamal. 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 Look at this, such a gorgeous flower. Look at this, it's such a huge flower. Kamal. Kamal. You know, kamal is a national flower of India. So you must know this flower. It's called lotus in English and kamal in Hindi. Yes? So ka for kamal. Ka for kabootar. 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 Yes? Ka for kabootar. Ka for kamal. Look at this flower. Look at the colors. Look at how it is blooming. It's such a huge and lovely flower. Kamal. Kamal. Yes? Vyanjan. So these are Vyanjan letter we are learning now. So this is the first letter of Vyanjan. Ka. 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 In previous classes we learnt swar letters, and from today onwards we are going to learn Vyanjan letters. So the first letter of Vyanjan Varnmala, Ka, 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 Ka for kabutar, Ka for kamal. So the next letter is Kha, 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 Kha for Khargosh. Khargosh is waving at you. Hello. Khargosh is waving at you. Khargosh is saying, hello, how are you doing? Are you enjoying me? My name is Khargosh. Kha for Khargosh. Kha for Khargosh. Khargosh is called rabbit in English. Rabbit. And in Hindi, my name is Khargosh. Hello. It's waving at you. He's saying, my name is Kha for Khargosh. 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 Kha for Kharbuja. Have you eaten muskmelon? Like watermelons are so huge and they are red from inside, and muskmelon is this small, is handy, is this small, and it's creamish in color like this. So muskmelon is called Kharbuja in Hindi. Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Kharbuja. Kharbuja, muskmelon. Kha, 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 Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Khargosh. Kha for Khargosh. Kha for Khargosh. My name is Khargosh. Kha for Kharbuja. My name is Kharbuja. Kharbuja is muskmelon in English. Kharbuja. So now let's revise it. What did we learn today? We learned Ka. Ka. Ka for kabutar. Ka for kamal. Say it with me. Ka for kabutar. Ka for kamal. And the next letter, Kha. You make it like this. Kha. 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 Kha for Khargosh. My name is Khargosh. Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Kharbuja. Kha for Khargosh. Khargosh is a rabbit. And Kha for Kharbuja. Kharbuja is muskmelon. I hope you enjoyed today's class, and let's meet next week. Please revise both of these letters, practice them, do the repetition. As I always say in every class, you have to do repetition to be able to learn the letters. So if you want to learn the letters, you have to do the repetition. So the more you speak, the more you write, the more you will able to learn the letters. You will be able to learn Hindi. Yes? So the more you speak, the more you write, you will be able to learn as quickly. So practice all the letters, both of the letters. I will see you next week. Have a great day. Namaste. क क फॉर कबूतर, क फॉर कबूतर। ख ख ख ख फॉर खरगोश, ख फॉर खरगोश। क क क क फॉर कबूतर, क फॉर कबूतर। ख ख ख ख for खरगोश ख for खरगोश